What's happening, everyone? Welcome in. I'm going to start a new series today. It's going to tell you how to actually get paid as a drummer. So, clickbait title aside, this series, it's going to be 5 videos or so, is going to be my tips for being a working drummer. Now, what do I mean by a working drummer? Well, basically I mean someone pays you to play the drums in their wedding band, function band, originals band, in recording sessions, etc, etc. Today we're going to start with one of the most essential things you can be able to do as a drummer in a band, and that's be able to play different styles of grooves. What do I mean by different styles of grooves? I do mean some jazz, I do mean being able to play some shuffles, etc, etc. But fundamentally what I mean is, can you play the things that you're actually gonna play 99% of the time? Now I've got a question for you. What is your job as a drummer? It's not to keep people in time. I know, shock horror. The bass player will want to tell you that you should keep them in time. It is impossible to keep people in time if they are not able to play in time. Keep steady pulse on their own. You cannot keep people in time if they're unable to play in time on their own. Your job as a drummer is to make people dance. That's pure and simple. So no matter what style of music you play, whether you're a metalhead, whether you play jazz, whether you play skiffle or Afro-Cuban stuff, or rock or pop or functions or anything like that, your job is to make people dance. You make people dance by making the music feel good. And now to my point, because I know this is a bit convoluted, there are 6 main feels that you're going to generate in most pop, rock, funk playing. They are the 8th note pulse, 16th notes with one hand, 16th notes with 2 hands, upbeat 8th notes, quarter notes, and then nothing at all. Nothing at all, just think of We Will Rock You. Playing that boom, 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 boom. That actually still sounds really good, still feels really good, makes you want to move, despite not having a right hand playing. Quick little cut. I didn't actually say, here's me playing all 6 feels. So, here's me playing all 6 feels. Enjoy. So my challenge to you is to ask yourself very honestly, can you play all of your stuff, ghost notes, heavy bass drum grooves, Zeppelin grooves, funk stuff, paradiddles between the hands and feet, all different styles of grooves, all different types of grooves and groove embellishments. If you can still make the music feel good by doing them, you're gonna be able to play everything that you're gonna have to play in a wedding gig, for example. And that's a good way of getting paid as a musician. Now in the card up here, there is a link to another video I did where I explain how I practiced groove structures. In that case, it was a little fusion-y kind of open hi-hat thing. This is the exact same. I practice any type of groove in the same way. So these 6 feels, you get practice them in the exact same way. Practicing them the way that I outlined there is going to unlock your ability to play any song, any melody, any rhythm, which means that you can be quick, you can work with people, you can make the song feel good instantly without having to go away and learn different patterns. That's just my take on what grooves you should learn. Obviously there's going to be loads of others and it depends on the gigs that you do. But if you have any questions about being a pro drummer, leave them in the comments below, hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon.